Fiend, 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 fiend. Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another video. As you may know, I'm Jack, and today I'm gonna be doing one of those other videos that recently every day I always post. Drawing, sketches, everything you think of. Okay? So, another request on my Facebook page just recently commented. It's one of my friends again, so I'm gonna be doing it again. So, for that, I'm gonna be showing you guys the comment. Actually, wait. Here's the comment that my friend recently sent me. So, if you want me to guys also read your comments, I'm gonna be doing a short video too. Send me a lot of comments on my YouTube. So, here's the comment right now. Bro, can you draw Hiccup with his dragon scale armor from How to Train Your Dragon? Okay, so basically I'm gonna be drawing Toothless. As you may know, Toothless is from How to Train Your Dragon. It's also one of my childhood TV shows too, and movies actually. And recently there was a new movie on a live action actually. I actually watched it and it was nostalgia. It felt like I was a kid again. Oh wait, where am I going? Oh no, wait, I'm gonna be drawing Hiccup. But what if I also draw Toothless? Would it be more fun to also add Toothless too? Well, I guess I'm gonna be drawing it. But also I'm gonna be adding Toothless. Don't complain, but if you complain, I don't know. It's your decision. But except it's my decision, so good job because this is my YouTube channel, so I'm gonna be doing it. So let's do this! Okay, everyone, time for the big reveal. Drum roll, please. Here it is. It's it's mirrored right now, but it's still good though. Well, it's like Toothless is like an axolot though, but it's still good. It's based on the movie, of course. Well, do you guys like it? Let me know down below in the comments, and I think I should probably edit it because it looks goofy when it mirrors. I think I should wait. No, one sec. There we go. This is the complete drawing, and there. That's it with it. Now I'm gonna change back. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what kind of request are you guys gonna do next. It could be anything actually, but I'm also gonna be reading your guys' comments soon. So guys, comment down below everything what you seen here and everything. I mean, what do you guys want me to draw next? So basically, I don't know. Actually, I'm actually kind of excited. Actually, I need to be like let it out like good in expression. So okay, I think that's all it. So be sure you guys smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, turn it red. Oh no. No, wait. No, I messed up again. Okay, so be sure to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. No. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys again. Well, be sure to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. There we go. Finally, I'm not stuttering anymore. Okay, bye, guys.